That is the RX-8, boys. Okay guys, it's been a while. I haven't recorded in so long, but today we have a very special car. We got Titus's RX-8, bro. This is actually insane. It's a Bridge Sport as well. Do you see it? Bridge Sport? Oh yeah, this is actually insane. You know, I've never actually been in a rotary, so this is gonna be like a new experience. And the wheels as well. Look at that, bro. Holy God. Bro, that sounds so good, bro. Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm so excited to show you this guy's car. It's actually insane. I haven't recorded in so long, so this is gonna be actually a fun ass video, bro. Wow. That is the RX-8, boys.
Tires on it.
Yeah, no, that's actually good.
But I'm still getting used to it, so
100%.